Today I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to a technogym Skillrow rowing machine in 3 easy to follow steps. So step 1 is to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of Apple iOS software and hitting that app update button if required. Step number 2 is to download the technogym Skillrow app from the Apple App Store. Next, you're going to swipe down from the top right hand corner of your phone screen with one finger and ensure that the lock screen orientation button is switched off. This is very important for the next step to work correctly. Now, step 3 is to register to use the app. Once registered and logged into the app, you'll see this screen. To get going from here, click on the Classic tab at the top of the screen and select a distance to row. Then next, click on the big yellow button and hit Start. At this point, you'll be prompted to rotate your phone and place it in the phone holder at the top of the Skillrow machine. Now, to begin your challenge, simply row to connect your phone. As you row on the phone screen, you'll see yourself and the person you selected to race against. You'll also see displayed on the screen a host of helpful information, such as the distance you're behind or in front of your competitor. Once you've completed your chosen rowing distance, you'll be given some performance metrics, which will let you know where you're stacking up against the global community of people using the technogym Skillrow around the world. This can be a great motivating way to track your progress over time. For more tips on how to get the most out of your Apple devices with other technogym equipment, do check out the videos on this playlist here.